Hi guys, D'Angelo Duds here again. Little cheeky little video. My little workspace. It's 12 foot by 8. I put it all together myself. Wired it all up, insulated it, done the things out. Hang on a minute. Ziggy, stop. Don't want to get that. Don't want to get flagged for copyright. Yeah. So I thought I'd just do a little pan round. My workspace, got a few props that I've used and stuff, and so yeah, I like my bandsaw. I can swap the blades out, so I can do metal and whatever on it, plastics and all that kind of gear. Pillar drill, belt sander with disc sander on it, got my grinder, shitload of solvents and paints and all that kind of gear, electrics, bits of whatever, more paints, more props. Yeah, got a few props there that I've done. More crap up the top, like you do. You've got to have a shit store, you know, and all that sort of stuff. Got my little CNC machine. I mainly use the laser on it because the spindle's like pretty fud. It's only little. My air compressor for the air brushing. I use mainly like hand tools. This is my little workspace. I'm working on this rig today. Yeah. About it really. More shit down the bottom there, look. Got to have shit to do this job. More shits and more shit. Yeah, which will all be beautiful shit once I've messed with it. And cheeky little commission through. I've got to do like a feathery headpiece, so I needed to get some feathers. So yeah, look at that. I've got me feathers. And the cool thing is, you pluck the shit out of that and it just grows back. So I never have to buy a feather. It's got a nice tint of green in it. She loves it, yeah. Oh, and she's just shat. Oh my God. That's the only thing with these shit boxes. They do shit a lot. Anyway, catch you laters. And yeah, well, words of wisdom. Please do not lick the walls. See you later. Be lucky.